Pause the top news headlines. Kuki militants torched MLA Ranjit house at Sero. Many vehicles parked near the house turned into ashes. Arid people of Sugnu and Sero destroyed UKLF's Nazareth King. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. A very good afternoon. You're watching ELITETV English News and this is your host Heeyai. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government where face masks when out in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play a part in the fight against COVID-19. And now let's see the news in details. Kuki militants attacking the innocent people is still continuing in Manipur. Kuki militants with sophisticated weapons burned the house of MLA K. Ranjit at Sero. According to our reliable sources, the Kuki militants, about 20 in numbers, came down and opened fire at Sero. Later, the militants torched the house of MLA Ranjit at Sero. Vehicles parked by the villagers at his complex, thinking that it will be safe for them, they were also burned into ashes. Additional forces have been reinforced at the spot. No report of casualties till now. Meanwhile, in breaking news, after mid of the incident of burning house MLA Ranjit, the Red people Sugnu and Sero stormed the Nazareth King of UKLF, just 2 kilometers from Sugnu, was destroyed and burnt. According to a reliable source, an ID card of Myanmar national was found from the king. NEET UG exam will be held on June 6 at different 22 centers. This was stated by the Deputy Commissioner of Imphal, KH Kiran Kumar, in a press meet held at the courtroom of DC Complex, Lamphel yesterday. The DC further said there will be 12 centers at Imphal West, while 10 centers in Imphal East. Examination will.
Parikhaji koi law and order situation jigi yenga kanda parikhaji pung ani nga khala laga baro dagi hauraga pung ahumga minute kun bauda parikhaji tawgani karigino hakana parikhaji loira kanda angang singsi mayumda ahalama jinga hanmada khudong chananaba parikhagi center singsida pung baro da haujagadab oiragasu angang singje pung mapan gi maya dagi lakwa darka tai aduga magi tawpham thokpa che changi karigi mayam tawro matungda pung 13 ga makhaida akoi get loan gani akoi emika ki matang da mu angang sing yam tuina hangi emika si hana mamangi parikha gi da akoi gi thagar khiba magi emika leibache masi gi emika si adum season ba yae kari gumba manipur da thagada oiragadi manipur dagi center on gi haibadu di anobo emika ama chingda jaba tare mafam ahong buduga loina na aduga manipur da thagada mayam si gi di hana gi ariba emika season raga adum tawba yai kari gumba chingda hogdraba Sisu Nisani Ketanda Amrita office ta Salaga Chingtabiba Yai, DC officing the Salaga Chingtabiba Yai, Aduga Imphal West, Atoba district where goes Spider Labor, Aduzum Chingtabiba Yai, Karigumba Angang Singina, Kudong Chataba Laire, Paikagi Center Sida Koi Laga Loja Gay, Emika Singse, Hiragazu, Angang Sinrahana, Koi the Pau, Pibiragadi, Namtok Piraga, get ready to Rogat Hambido in Angang Singji. Tawatabu Gieti, Puntarama Toiga, Makai the Longa the Mina, Adugima Mangda, chasing what he took in Tobogi, Nana Yorpa the Kata, Angang Singji. Parkiagi Center Kungani Toise, Masia Koi Center Amakak Mapam Hong, Center Kungani Toisida, Center Tarukta, Akogi CAPFki Sibaile, 100 kilo and order Ziga, Mariana. Sibai Lajaragasu, Akoi Ladiba, Sibajing Aquina request our moina parikha tawdringi gi mamangda ka singe takthoga lampakta boiro nakanda bu thaidoga boiro mafam manga amadi sinba yarane ba lamlong higher secondary da taramba angang gaise ananda singh higher secondary da pulap oina thangane ba lamlong da hana center taramadi emikar hanagi chingthokpa matamda lamlong ijaraga su ananda singh higher secondary chatlaga lamlong gi oja gaiduna adum singadori ne ba ananda singh higher secondary hanadi maje center oidaba sigi ahongwa makhak lei angang jingji gi chatpa matamda admit card pairi bachina adum curfew pass ne adum lobo yare curfew kai guma khuda ka thingjan graga su curfew pass ne lobi ba yare parikha sinbada mari leinari ba akoi gi oja sing akoi conduct of changi myam je moi gi duty card kumba I card kuma dum pairaga adum curfew pass ne dum lobi ba yare parikha ge numit sida akoi na request awning bana yari gai tang taruk ki parikha sida irang laibidragadi numit che angang jingju ingna tamna parikha thaba da ka tai angang ingna tension nyamna कारगदी परीक्षा मार्क याम फंगोइदोनी अखोई आंगांसिंग मार्क याम फंगदना परीक्षा सिलेक्शन दा खनबदा वारकदोरिनेबा अदुना मयामना तांग तरुक की लेबाक पोपु नुमित्ता तोंगान तोंगान बा डिस्ट्रिक्ट तगी लाकदोरिबा आंगांसिंगसी सपोर्ट तौबियु हाइबदुमा थमजागे
A US school system should Meta, Google, Snapchat and TikTok for allegedly contributing to a mental health crisis among students. It claimed the addictive social media products have rewired the way children think, feel and behave. It said the platform encouraged negative social comparisons. The law should also cite dopamine triggering reward on the apps such as TikTok's For You page. Apple denied Russia's claim of colluding with a US intelligence agency to hack several iPhones, including devices belonging to Russian nationals and foreign diplomats based in Russia. It said, "We never worked with any government to insert a backdoor into any Apple product." Russian agency FSB has said the elite spying operation affected diplomats from Israel, Syria, China, and NATO countries. Reacting to Odisha triple train collision, AAP leader Sanjay Singh said that Centre is not upgrading the railway tracks and is running high-speed trains like Vande Bharat on them just to get praise by people. What's the Kawach Kagera they talk about? There should be an anti-collision system at places where there are high chances of accidents, he added. Rainfall in the United States, Texas prompted severe flooding, causing mudslide, rockfalls, and several road closures. A video has surfaced online in which a truck and some other vehicles can be seen partially submerging in surging floodwater as heavy rainfall continued. The National Weather Service had issued flooding alert throughout the southern U.S. state of Texas on Thursday. U.S. President Joe Biden said he is heartbroken by the tragic news of the deadly train crash in India that has killed 288 people. In a statement, Biden wrote, "Our prayers go out to those who have lost loved ones and the many who suffered injuries in this terrible incident." He added, "People across America mourn alongside the people of India." A test which is being trialed by researchers at the University of Oxford that can detect over 50 different types of cancer could speed up diagnosis, a new study has suggested. It was able to detect signs of cancer in 323 patients out of 6,238 patients which suspected symptoms in the UK. About 244 patients were subsequently diagnosed with cancer. NASA is testing a technology called GNSS, Upper Atmospheric Real-Time Disaster Information and Alert Network, to predict tsunamis by monitoring disturbances in Earth's upper atmosphere. Guardian uses data from GPS and other satellites to detect real-time positional accuracy. It's being tested in the Ring of Fire, a geologically active region in Pacific Ocean, known for several tsunamis. A woman from the United States who works in a rehab center in Mexico was killed and put in a blender by the owners. The 35-year-old woman had a violent episode due to withdrawal symptoms and allegedly attacked the center owner. In retaliation, the owner reportedly beat her to death and dismembered her body in an attempt to hide it. Bharti Airtel, Amazon and Elon Musk Starlink have told the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India that spectrum for satellite communication services should be allocated via administrative methods rather than auctioned. Auctioning the spectrum and creating exclusiveness will create barriers for competition, Airtel said. However, Reliance Jio and Vodafone Idea have supported the auction mode. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Kuki militants torched MLA Ranjit house at Sero. Many vehicles parked near the house turned into ashes. Arid people of Sugnu and Serok destroyed UKLF Najarat came. And curfew relaxed for Imphal East, West and Bishnupur till 5 p.m. today. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching ELITETV English News. Till then, take care, stay safe and have a good day.